If you have been enjoying this townhouse, there are still some units left. This is in P. Tuazon, Quezon City. It's near San Juan, and they have a promo of 10, 10, 80. It's not gonna last for all the units though, so just like that siren, you better hurry and contact the link in the description. Custom-made furniture better than mass-produced furniture? Watch till the end to find out. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julie, and welcome to another Presello Schemata. Hi, Brian. Thank you for joining us today for our topic.
Thank you so much as well for having me.
Yeah. So, could you tell us a little something about yourself and Casama?
Hi. So my name is Brian. So I'm actually one of the owners of Casama. So we're a local furniture shop here in the Philippines, and we specialized on custom-made furniture.
Because that being said, though, you mentioned custom and handmade furniture. What is custom or handmade furniture?
Custom-made is actually self-explanatory. So you send over what you want us to make. So we'll customize the furniture for you. So we can actually change the color, the size, the finish, so whatever you want to do, we'll be able to execute it for you. So that's basically it.
You know, it's so weird because sometimes I feel like furniture is only custom or bespoke, but it isn't it? So are there other kinds of furniture?
There are actually two types of furniture. So one is the custom-made furniture. So these are the ones that we usually do. And the other one is actually mass-produced furniture. So these are actually machine-made furniture. So they're made in bulk using machines. I don't think they're made in the country. I think most of them are made abroad.
Usually in factories.
Yeah, usually in big factories. So this is why they also can control the price. Most of them are actually priced a little less than what we usually do.
A little bit more affordable because it is mass-produced.
Exactly.
Right, because you buy it in bulk.
Yes.
So let's talk about the advantages. So let's go with the Filipino handmade furniture first. What are the advantages of Filipino handmade furniture?
I think one good advantage would be most of them are actually sustainably sourced. So when I say sustainably sourced, so they're actually legally obtained. So yeah, we have permits to obtain these kinds of materials, and most of our materials are actually locally sourced and locally
grown, I guess.
Locally grown materials such as acacia, mahogany, rattan. So most of them come from the Philippines. And since everything is locally sourced, so we don't get anything abroad. So I think the carbon footprint is less. So we get to help Mother Nature as well. Second advantage is that, well, this is for me is the most important, as we get to help local communities. Because Casama, our company, was actually born out of the need to provide livelihood opportunities for workers. So this is close to my heart. So this advantage for me is the biggest one that we have. Third advantage is that these furniture are actually made by skilled craftsmen that have been in the business for many, many years. I've known some workers that their family is in the business, so their grandfather was the one who taught them. I mean, their grandfather was the one who taught their father, and their father was the one who taught them. So
generations.
Yeah, generations of experience and artisans and just good quality stuff.
And then the fourth advantage would be?
For me, the overall look. I think natural custom-made materials have this sense of, it just looks more natural, more charming, rustic.
Rustic, yeah.
Yeah. So
it has more character.
Yeah, it has more character. So it kind of adds a homey vibe to a house. And since it's natural, there has something to do with imperfections.
Right, yeah, like the rings, the scuffs, like in leather, for example, how it has natural patina and stuff. So obviously that also applies to wood. Okay, and I guess I'm just gonna add to this, but communication, like if we had to design something together, like the customer and you guys, communication would be a lot easier.
Yeah,
and faster.
for sure. And also for repairs and maintenance, actually.
Right.
So since the workers are here, so whenever you would like to change something or probably refurbish or improve something, so you can just contact us or the workers and they would do it for you.
Right, that makes so much sense. Okay, so now on the flip side, what are the advantages of mass-produced furniture?
So for me, first advantage would be, one, it's fast and it's easily accessible. So whatever you see on the shelves, you can actually buy and take home with you.
It's as is.
Yeah,
right.
as is. So second advantage is that mass-produced items are actually very affordable because they're actually mass-produced
Less
using,
labor.
Yeah, big machines. I think for me, they take shorter to make.
Right.
So
because it's machine made.
yeah, because it's machine made actually, and then it fits a need. It fits your need. So it's actually very functional. So if you need something that's fast and reliable, so I think you can actually just buy something off the shelf.
Yeah, at an affordable price.
At an affordable price.
Yeah.
And the last advantage for me is that since you're buying them online, you can actually bring them home at once, and they're very easy to assemble. It's actually pretty straightforward. There are manuals, but I don't think you need them actually because it's that easy to assemble. Yeah, you just need your 2 hands and some common sense.
That's true. Okay, well, let's now move on to the cons of both of them.
Yeah.
So what are the cons of Filipino handmade furniture and the man-made, mass-produced furniture?
Yeah. I think first disadvantage or first con of customized furniture is that it takes longer than what you actually usually expect. For us, it usually takes us 4 to 6 weeks to produce, but conceptualization would actually take a couple more weeks also. So total timeline would be 2-3 months. So
yeah, as opposed to the mass-produced, which you can literally get from the shelves, as you mentioned earlier.
And price-wise, yeah, I would be honest, like our products are actually more expensive. Time and price would be the con, but I'll assure you, it's going to be worth it.
Super worth it. Right, because anything worth having takes time. And as you mentioned, of course, experts are involved as opposed to just machines.
Correct.
That's the reason why, of course. So we basically have time and price as a con, but of course that is in exchange of quality.
Correct.
So would it be safe to assume that the con for mass-produced furniture is quality because you have time and price on its side?
Yeah, safe to say it is, because based on my personal experience, the personal experience of my friends and family is like every time we buy something on the shelf, like the shelf life would be like good for only a year. Right. Then another bad part is if something breaks, you can't repair it anymore.
You have to buy a completely new set or something.
Yes, correct. Or I mean, for example, when an arm breaks, you can't repair this anymore because they're made from plastic. I think,
or less durable materials. Let's just say, right. So unlike if it's custom-made furniture, you can literally just replace the arm specifically.
Yes, correct.
Because it's custom to begin with. Okay, so basically, both of them have their pros and cons, and it all depends on what you're looking for. So if you're in a hurry, obviously you're gonna go for the mass-produced one. But if you have the time and you have the design and you really want to make things happen, you go for the custom one. Okay, so basically both of them have their pros and cons depending on what you guys need. And if you need custom furniture, if you've been enjoying the furniture that you've been seeing so far, those were actually from Casama, which is founded by Brian. So thank you again, Brian, for being here and for talking about the different kinds of furniture. And if you guys want to check out more of Casama's work, make sure you check their FB talaga, no? Make sure you check their Facebook at Casama Craftsmanship or their Instagram, casama.mo. It's so cute. Yeah. And of course, all of the links will be down in the description. So thank you again, guys, for joining us for this episode. And thank you again, Brian. And we'll see you in the next one. And I guess we'll see you in their showroom in Marikina.
Hope to see everyone there.
Right, bye. Oh, you have to say bye to this one.
Bye.
Okay, actually, it's kind of cute. Because you don't know which camera to look at. But it's this one. Nakakalito, no? Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.